Umasipala uthi lo mlilo wequbula uqale ngeSonto kanti wonke amathimba ezimo eziphuthumayo azama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukulawula.
Currently, we're in day 4 of the fire. The fire started on Sunday, and approximately 1,600 hectares have burned so far already. We have 200 firefighters and their support teams.
Lo mlilo upepetheka ngamandla kakhulu.
The fire is not under control yet. We are trying to close off the fire around the town of Pearly Beach, and by doing that, we will isolate the town then, and then, it'll be safe then the fire won't come back into the town again.
Lo mlilo wequbula ungowesine solokhu kwaqala umfumfu ngonyaka owedlule kanti imeya yase Overstrand unqume kakhulu umphakathi wakule ndawo kokubambisana namathimba ezimo eziphuthumayo.
My biggest takeaway is the amazing work that the fire chief and the team of plus minus 200 people do, the partnership. I'm sure throughout the time you are here, you've seen ordinary people donating anything, food, water, everything that the men and women who are on those mountains can use.
Umasipala uthi uma lo mlilo ungalawuleki kuzophoqa ukuba izakhamuzi zikhishwe emizini yazo ziyiswe ezindaweni eziphephile.